Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include lighting package, multimedia package, Sirius satellite radio, sunroof, heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.